So I'm going to teach you how to work with columns in Microsoft Word. To begin, let us first copy a document, or in this case a sample text, and then paste it in the document. And then if you want to column the whole document, just go to Page Layout tab under the ribbon and then look for the columns command under the page setup group. Once you click the columns option, you can choose from either of the options, like 2 columns or 3 columns. And then let's try and choose 3 columns first, and then if you change it into the right change it into the right column. You also have an option if you want to personalize your documents column. Just click the More Columns option still under the column command. And then you can change the number of columns here. So let's try to change it into 4. And then if you only want a certain part of the document or just a paragraph, you still have an option to do that by highlighting that part first. Then follow the same process that we did a while ago by going to Columns command again and choose from the options. Example 2. Or you can make another. Left. So this is how you work columns in Microsoft Word.